That is a Sunbeam TA200. That's a classic radiant-controlled double-sliced toaster with automatic bread ejection. Right, we have to... And you've lost the knob. Oh, for quark's sake.
Just your pilot.
Someone knows their small appliances.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. I've dug up a few of these in my time, but none as good as this. A couple of small dents, a little bit of tarnishing. Springs gone, but they always are.
Yeah, well...
That is far better than anything in the museum's current collection. Well done.
It's high praise coming from you, sir.